Brooklyn nursing home negligence lawyer. Across the United States, about 1.4 million people live in nursing homes or assisted living facilities, and families place enormous trust in these institutions to provide safety and proper care. Studies show that nearly 1 in 6 older adults suffers abuse, and nearly 1/3 of American nursing homes have been cited for mistreatment. Those numbers underscore how vulnerable residents can be. Kucher Law Group, a Brooklyn personal injury law firm, treats these statistics as the stories of real people and focuses on holding negligent facilities accountable. The firm's experienced lawyers devote significant resources to nursing home negligence cases. They know that mistreatment can include physical violence, neglect, emotional and sexual abuse, financial exploitation, and even abandonment. Victims are often too afraid or embarrassed to speak up, so an attorney's role includes educating families about warning signs and legal remedies. Negligence is often rooted in systemic problems rather than isolated bad actors. Many facilities operate as for-profit businesses, and research indicates residents in these homes are almost twice as likely to experience poor care compared with those in nonprofit settings. Corporate owners sometimes outsource services to related companies, draining resources and reducing quality. Understaffing is pervasive. Federal reports show many homes lack enough essential workers. Low wages and inadequate training further strain staff, leading to burnout, mistakes and, in extreme cases, theft. Understanding these structural issues helps a lawyer build a compelling negligence claim. Families should watch for indicators of abuse or neglect. Injuries such as bruises, repeated falls, broken bones, pressure sores, or poor hygiene may signal physical mistreatment. Unexplained weight loss, frequent infections, missing belongings, or sudden financial losses can point to negligence or exploitation. Emotional or psychological abuse leaves no visible scars but may appear as anxiety, depression, sleep problems, social withdrawal, or avoidance of eye contact. Fear of particular staff members or odd complaints should not be dismissed. Consulting a law firm early can help families document these conditions and understand their options. If neglect is suspected, safety comes first. Remove the resident from danger and seek medical attention, even for minor injuries, so a record exists. Document injuries and unsanitary living conditions with photographs and written notes, and save copies of medical records and billing statements. Notify facility administrators and file a complaint with the New York State Department of Health or report to Adult Protective Services. Law enforcement should be contacted if criminal conduct is suspected. Speak with an attorney before signing any documents presented by the facility or insurers, as a lawyer can explain legal options and protect rights. New York law obligates care facilities to hire qualified staff, conduct background checks, and provide adequate training. They must monitor employees, enforce protocols, furnish necessities like food and water, and avoid improper restraints or intentional abuse. When homes fail in these duties, victims may seek damages. Compensation can include medical expenses, mental health services, future care, relocation costs, pain and suffering, mental anguish, and punitive damages. In wrongful death cases, surviving relatives may recover funeral expenses and other non-economic damages if they act within the 2-year time frame. Pursuing a negligence lawsuit begins with a complaint drafted by your lawyer that describes the injuries, relevant facts, and responsible parties. Statutes of limitation generally require filing within 3 years. Damages vary, but one study found that nursing home lawsuits averaged about $406,000 in awards. Prompt action preserves evidence and strengthens the case. Kucher Law Group offers free consultations and serves families throughout Brooklyn and the other New York boroughs. The law firm charges no legal fees unless compensation is recovered. If you suspect nursing home abuse or neglect, call their attorneys at 929 563-6780 for guidance. Kucher Law Group's office is at 463 Pulaski Street, No. 1C, Brooklyn, New York, 11221. Acting quickly can protect your loved one, hold negligent facilities accountable, and help ensure that vulnerable elders receive the respect and care they deserve.